Imagine a guest arriving at your building entrance. They're greeted by a durable, tamper-resistant metal plaque featuring a laser-engraved QR code that says, "Welcome." The guest simply scans the QR code with their smartphone. No app download or sign-up required. Visitors will see the ButterflyMX QR code Intercom welcome webpage and can click Tap to start. Visitors will then tap the directory button to proceed. The guest can search the name or unit number to quickly find the resident they're visiting. No phone numbers or personal information are shown, ensuring resident privacy. Once they select the correct resident, they tap Call to initiate contact. The visitor is prompted to allow access to their camera and microphone. This starts a secure one-tap video call request through the web interface. All communication is end-to-end encrypted for maximum security, so both residents and guests can trust that their information is protected. After scanning, the visitor is prompted to enable location sharing. Location sharing ensures the guest is physically present at the entrance, preventing remote misuse of copied codes. If the guest is not within a 5-mile proximity of the building that the QR code is attached to, they will see an error screen. A 5-minute session time limit applies, after which the link becomes inactive and cannot be restarted with a page refresh. The visitor must rescan the QR code to initiate a new session. This ensures that all guests are physically near the building for all calls. The system also monitors for suspicious activity, such as repeated failed attempts, adding an extra layer of threat detection. Each QR code is unique to its entrance and remains scannable, even if up to 25% is covered. The plaque is available in silver, gold, or dark gray colors and can be installed in either portrait or landscape orientation to match the property's aesthetic. The installation is simple. These plaques require no power and can be mounted with tape or screws, making setup quick and flexible. A 2-door controller is still required.